Hey! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Begin with going into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Privacy section. In it, click on Permission Manager at the top and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, in my case, Location. Now click on one of your apps, in my case Gallery, and select one of those options. Ask each time Allow only while in use or Deny. I will go with Allow only while in use. So when I click on the back button, as you can see, Gallery just gained access to this device location if I'm using it. But you can always select any feature and then look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I will go into Phone to manage Teams. Over here, you need to click on See All Teams Permissions instead and manage all of permissions only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!